What's up again, beautiful people? In today's video, I'm going to show you 3 Procreate tips and tricks that will save your time and sanity.
If you're new to my channel, my name is Desiree and I am the artist behind Artfully Des.
When we talk about layer select, it means that selecting a layer. So basic. So this is your artwork, right? And if you check your layers, you have a lot of layers. Now, if accidentally you put something on your artwork that's not supposed to be there, like why the heck is there a leaf blower on my artwork right now, right? So what you are going to do is to go through your layers one by one to check where it is. And then you're going to be like, is it this one? Is it this one? Is it this one? So what you have to do is to go to the wrench tool and then go to preference and go to gesture controls. And then from here, go to layer select. And from layer select, you can turn on any of these. But I don't suggest you to use this one because you always touch your screen and you don't want it to be triggered by just touching the screen. So I am using this one. It's the square plus touch, and just toggle it on and then hit OK or save. And then what that means is that you have to press this square thing here, plus tap that element that you want to delete. Let's try it. It says it's on layer 18. Now you don't have to go through there anymore because it's going to select that layer right away. Let's check if it's actually on layer 18. That's it. It's right. It's on layer 18. So that saves you time from going through all your layers just to find that one thing. So I'm going to give you another example where you can use that. For example, I do have these 4 elements here, right? Okay, 4 elements. So instead of me going back and forth to my layer section to move things around, I can just do this, right? And then do this. That saves you so much time, right? Great. So the next tip will be, so if you ever found a random line on your artwork before, just like that, it happens when you like accidentally touch your screen, like when you're moving around, when you're doing this, and you didn't notice that you accidentally left a random line on your artwork and you only notice it when you've already flattened everything. That happened to me many times, and you can totally avoid that by doing this. Again, let's go to our favorite wrench tool and then go to preference and then go to gesture control and go to general. This enable painting with finger, you can toggle it off because that's the option where you can draw with your finger. And once again, we use our finger a lot on the screen. When we touch the screen, we accidentally leave marks on it. So that will avoid the random line popping up on your artwork. This is a different one from the first one that I showed you. So for example, this is your artwork. And I want to try to see how it looks like just this popcorn without the rest of the elements on the screen. So instead of me going through all my layers and turning them off one by one, what I just have to do is tap and hold that checkbox and it will turn off all the other layers. Now you can do what you gotta do, and then if you want to turn them back on, you just have to tap and hold the checkbox again. So that's our 3 tips for today. I don't want to overwhelm you, but I'm gonna record more tips in the following days, weeks, so you gotta stay tuned. If this somehow helped you, feel free to follow and subscribe and share it with your friends. And again, thank you so much for being here. See you in my next video. Bye.